Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is MOHAMAD RAZMI from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. From 17 of Sustainable Development Goals, I choose number 6, which is clean water and sanitation. This is because my concern of my hometown Kelang, which its river has been critically polluted. Kelang River is a river which flows through Kuala Lumpur and Selangor, eventually flow into the Strait of Malacca. It is approximately 120 km in length. As the river flows through the Kelang Valley, which is a densely populated area of more than 4 million people, the river is highly polluted due to deep sanitation caused by human waste and from the industrial sector. The cause of toxic waste pollution in river is from the disposal of toxic waste from irresponsible factories. Data in 2016 and 2017 show that most Malaysia river water quality is in the Class 2 and Class 3 water quality index. Many factories have been built along the Kelang River to ensure garbage is dumped into the river. The problem arises when the chemical liquid that is channeled into the river is not treated and contains toxic substances that contaminate the river water and cause the color of the water to turn black and have a foul and smelly odor to look dirty and polluted. Therefore, clean water supply is affected because of toxic waste in river, which make clean water resource difficult to control and affect marine life. The management of water distributor, which is Shabas company in Malaysia, to bear the high cost of restoring water quality for daily use. Next, the main reason is irresponsible people who generate solid waste and throw it to the Kelang River. This activity could lead to water resource pollution, especially in the river. This is threatening factor to human and ecological health and drinking water availability. More than 80% of river in major cities in the country can be considered that river due to the pollution, especially industrial waste, which is increasing every year. According to the latest data, last year there were 63 river categories as polluted compared to the previous year, which was 2017 around 52 river and 38 river in 2016. Kelang River is at a perilous level with rubbish, especially plastic, bottle, used tires, and even forming a small island, causing the river water to be black and emit a foul smell. The effect of river pollution affect the supply of clean water to community in urban and rural areas. One of the solutions is by implement the water treatment. River water treatment is the process of removing contaminant from flowing or stagnant river water, which includes physiochemical treatment of water with the combination of conventional and advanced treatment process like coagulation, flocculation, clarification, settling, filtration, and disinfection of filter water to produce an environmentally safe and pure water suitable for drinking and multiple use in domestic, institution, and industrial application. This is process of the water treatment. Firstly, grit and sand separator to remove coarse solid as and grit material. Then chemical disinfection to reduce the bacteria content. After that, coagulation and flocculation process required to improve the efficiency in the settling by chemical injection. Moreover, life softening to reduce the total hardness, suspended, solid, colloidal and organic matter by chemical precipitation. Next, settling clarifier or dissolve by flotation to remove suspended solid, turbidity and some organic such as algae. Furthermore, granular filter for total removal of very fine suspended solid for turbidity reduction. Next, brackish reverse osmosis, which is a hyperfiltration membrane process to get desalinated water and without organic. Lastly, electrodeionization process to achieve ultra-pure water quality. This is the water treatment that will give us the safe water to drink or using it. The Ocean Cleanup developed technology to rid the world's ocean of plastic. To do so, we need to not only clean up the plastic that is currently there, but also stop new plastic from entering the ocean. We need to close the tap. Most plastic in the ocean originate from river. Our research found that 1,000 rivers are responsible for 80% of ocean plastic entering the ocean. So far, solutions to stop river plastic have been few and designed only for individual locations. Until now, the interceptor developed by the Ocean Cleanup. This is the first scalable solution to prevent river plastic from entering the ocean. This is how it works. The solar power interceptors are strategically located in the river. They will flow into the system while boats are still able to pass. The barrier directs waste to the mouth of the interceptor. Here, a conveyor belt extracts the debris from the water onto a giant shuttle. The system functions autonomously. Using smart software, the shuttle knows how to steadily distribute of 6 dumpsters located on a separate base. At any time, operator can remotely access the interceptor dashboard from anywhere in the world. Once full, the interceptor automatically sends a message to local operators. The batch is brought back to shore, appetite for recycling and reattached for further collection. At the top performance, the interceptor can extract more than 100,000 kg of trash per day. Working together with government and private company, we aim to tackle this 1,000 most polluting river in 5 years' time, helping us close the tap and achieve our goal of ridding the world ocean of plastic. For non-engineering solution, this issue is by making the river campaign. The Clean River campaign is an education program designed to raise awareness to the people that we should take good care of our water resource. The campaign has been held every year in Malaysia with slogan Jom Sayangi Sungai Kita, CSR campaign. This campaign or program able to raise awareness of responsibility. As Malaysia citizen, we can as a volunteer to clean up and remove the trash at the Klang River. Thus, increasing awareness among local community is required to change their attitude towards the river and strengthen their participation in various activities. In summary, there is a strong link between polluted river and Sustainable Development Goal 6. SDG 6 specifically aims to ensure the availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all, and it contains targets important for controlling pollution. For this issue, which may accumulate at Klang River, it will cause heavy pollution, disease and contamination occur. Thus, inadequate water quality due to contamination can also hamper the provision of safe drinking water. This illustrates the importance of addressing water pollution in coordinated and integrated manner with Sustainable Development Goal 6 target, which is improved sanitation, safe drinking, water supply, and better hygiene behavior all affect well-being, livelihood, and economic development.